Hey, I got a head here off of a D-16 Honda. It's in here to get serviced and fix this cylinder. Looks like they tried putting a spark plug in it to make that hole go away. It's not gonna work. Hey, happy Friday, how we doing today? Let me get this thing washed and I'll get them valves out, buzz them two seats, replace that valve and service it. This thing's pretty scummy. Let's see what the wash can do for it. You know, ideally when you burn a valve like this, the head needs rebuilt, but they only want to fix that one hole. I'll vacuum test the rest of it and make sure it's sealing. There you go, that looks a lot better, huh? I buffed them exhaust valves just a little bit. Let me vacuum test it and see if they're sealing. Okay, I got my vacuum tester. Just covered up the chamber. Lets me know if the valves are sealing. Of course, this one isn't going to do anything. Let me get them valves out. There you go. I can weld that. No, I can't. This one doesn't look too bad. It'll probably face up. Look, you can see where that flame traveled across right there. I doubt you'd be able to lap that. You'd be there all day long. Let me grind it. There you can see here, that seat's pretty cattywampus. Let me grind them both a little bit more. I added a spacer onto this. It bumped into the side a little bit here. It didn't hurt anything. Okay, there we go. There's the 45. I got to narrow that up now. Yeah, put a little bluing on here. Okay, I'm going to bump the 60. Now the 30. There you go. Triangle valve job. Let me surface it. Okay, here we go. I got it in the surfacer. I made a witness mark and then I sharpied it. Okay, I'm going to go to final speed. I don't think it's very warped. Start it. Turn it on. Okay, this is about 1.5 hours. Still cleaning. This should clean on this pass. Here we are at the middle. Still looking good. Coming onto the in chamber. This head was very flat. Nice and flat. Speed it up. Okay, I faced up his valve and then I had one in a box faced it up too. Let me put them in. Okay, let me check it. Ooh. That's good. Here you go, just a quickie repair. Get it running and down the road. There you go, just a simple repair, get it running, get it down the road. I don't like doing this anymore and you probably like watching it. But, you know, I do what I'm getting paid to do, and that's what I did. Hey, thanks for coming along on this Friday. I hope you guys have a good weekend. Well, you guys probably all have a 4-day weekend, huh? Well, not me. I'll be back in here doing something else tomorrow, so you come check in then, okay? In the meantime, be nice to each other. Bye.